How to make a Stripe account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create your own Stripe account to accept payments. So let's get into it. You will simply go to stripe.com and you will land on this platform right here. Stripe allows you to accept online payments, send payouts, and manage your business online. In order to create a brand new account, you will get the option right here which says sign in. We're gonna click on sign up. Signing up process is really easy. You just enter an email address and then enter your full name, select your country, and set up a reasonable password. Then select if you want to get emails from Stripe and you agree to privacy and policy. Click on create account and your brand new account will be created on Stripe. You can see right here, this is my own dashboard. On Stripe, we get home, payment, balances, customers, products, reports, connect, and more. And now I can go ahead and accept payments using Stripe. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.